Have you ever opened a trade and immediately regret your life choice? Yes, I have been there. It's just like the market was waiting for you to click buy just to say, "Catcha!" In this video, we are diving into the most hilarious and painful mistake new Forex beginner traders make. From chasing candle like it is a race, to revenge trading like you are in an action movie. But don't worry, I'm not here to roast you. I will also show you how to stop making this mistake before your account say goodbye. So, let's fix your trading and maybe your emotion too. The mistake most Forex beginner traders makes is that they are trying to capture 10 pips a day. They are trying to capture 10 pips every single day. They will be like, I want to make 10 pips a day. I'm not greedy. After all, Europe USD move 100 pips a day. Only what I ask for is 10 pips. It doesn't matter if you are making 10 pip, 1 pip or even 5 pip. In order for you to make some pips, it means that your strategy has to work, right? It has to be able to take advantage of certain market conditions. And new Forex traders, they don't actually identify their entry points properly. So, how to capture the right move in the Forex market? Right here, using order block system. If you come here right now in this our diagram, I want to use the diagram to show it to you guys first, so you guys can understand what we are going to do in the chart. You understand? Once price break to the upside, you should look for the origin that caused the break of the structure. So once you look for the origin, your origin could be your imbalance or your order block. And I'm going to show you two different entries with order block and fair value gap. So your origin could be your order block or your fair value gap, each of them one you choose. But me, I mostly go for the order block. So price will have to break the structure. Once you break it, it forms a liquidity. Then you wait for price to come back to your point of interest, which is your fair value gap or your order block, in order for you to take the trade and ride back up with the market. That's the same thing with our sell here. You understand? This is all you need to be making money. This is exactly all you need to be making money in the Forex market. So I'll take you guys over to the chart right now. So let's go, baby. So here is a good chart. You understand? So let me go and plot this out for you guys step by step. You understand? So here right now you can see a break of structure right here. That's our break of structure. And you can see our order block right here, the move that caused the breakout. This is all. Let me go ahead and write it down for you guys. So here, next thing you have to look for is where the liquidity is resting. You understand? So as you can see right here, you can see a liquidity down here. Simple. What you have to do is just place your trade and let the market do its thing. You understand? So I'll go ahead to place the limit order right here. Set my take profit right here. Your stop loss a little bit below the order block zone. You understand? A little bit below the order block zone. Let's play it out for you guys. Take profits higher as well. You understand? Because we are planning to take our profits higher at the top where price started retracing. You understand? So let me play it out for you guys. Hope you guys understand. Let's go, baby. When you see price have tapped us in right now, price just tapped us in, and this is a close to 1:7 ratio. Well, this is a 1:7 ratio to the world trade. Let me drag all these things out for you guys to see. You can see right here. Price just tap us in right now. Price just tap us in. Let's see if he's going to hit our take profit. Understand? Let's go, baby. TP fully smashed, as you can see right here. This is how easy it is. You can be capturing up to 1:10, 1:20 risk to reward with this simple strategy. Just come and identify the pattern, take your trade, and go rest. Chill out and go flex out. That's trading for you. Financial freedom. Just master this. I will give you guys another example. You understand? This one is for order block. I'll show you guys for fair value gap. You understand? The next one I'll be showing you guys fair value gap on a buy. You understand? I want us to first of all go through the buys before we go through the sells. I've already shown you guys the order block buy. So this one is the fair value gap buy. After this, then we go over to the order block sell and the rest. You understand? So right here, here will be our entry. The profit will be at the high here. So you can see this is a fair value gap. You know what a fair value gap means? A gap. This candle right here, right now, and this candle never met. Their wicks never met each other. You understand? So there is a gap there that price need to come and fill in. So that's why it's called fair value gap. And you can see our liquidity right here. Our liquidity. Break of structure. This is the BOS. Then here is our FVG. So we place our trade right here. Then you allow the trade to run. So baby, let's go. You can see our liquidity. Right here. As you can see, price have tapped us in. I've tapped the fair value gap to the tip. Let me just draw this out. Okay, let's see if we hit our take profit. So smashed. You can see right here. The TP was smashed right here. You can see how simple this easy setup is. You can use to be making money every single day. Understand? So let's go over to the sales. First of all, I'll show you guys the order block sell. So let's go. This is the sell for FVG. This is the sell for FVG. So we will start off with marking the break of structures. You can see price. You can see how price had the break of structure right here. Price had a break of structure right here, which is our BOS. which is our BOS. So prices as well grabbing a liquidity right here. You can see prices grabbing the liquidity. This is our liquidity right here. So next thing is our fair value gap. Understand? So as you can see, here is our fair value gap, our FVG. So as you can see, what else do we need? Nothing. Just place your trade and let the market do it. So you go ahead to place your limit order right here at the FVG. Place your take profit at the high point, and your stop loss a little bit below the zone, a little bit above the zone. Then let's play this out. See what the market did after this. Let's see, baby. I see right here, this trade was a success, you understand? So I will show you guys another example for the other block. Sell, you understand? So let's go over that one in a minute. Go over to the last example for you guys. This is for a sell for other block, you understand? So right here we start with marking the trend, the break of structure, which is our BOS. You can see a break of structure right here. As well as a liquidity grab right here. Then guess where our other block will be? Right here. This small little candle right here you see is our other block. That's our other block. So we are going to place our entry right now at this point. You can as well sometimes place your entry at the middle of the other block, if you get what I mean. This is the other block right now. Like right here now is the other block. You can place your entry at the middle of the other block, then your stop loss at the high a little bit. So let the market run. And it will be able to give us a nice risk to reward ratio. So let's play this market out for you guys. See, price just tapped in. Price just tapped into our zone. You can see right here, tapped into our zone. Let's see if it will go ahead to hit our take profit, because that's our goal right here. So let's see, baby. TP is smashed, easy and peasy. That's how it is to make this money consistently from the market. You understand? Trading this strategy every single day. Every time you come to the market, you search for this pattern, you take your trade, you go your way, go chill out. That's financial freedom for you. So make sure you grab this and backtest the one that is best for you. Is it the fair value gap or the other block entry method? So that's to clarify you guys. Many mistakes new traders make is that they don't know how to get into the market. They don't know the exact entry point. So I'm offering you guys the best entry, which is the other block or the fair value gap. So make sure you go practice it and choose the one right for you. So now you know what not to do, so go fix it. Win smarter and maybe stop yelling your chat at 6 a.m. And remember, if you don't log in, you might not clock in. And don't forget to like, subscribe and comment the biggest mistake you have ever made, so I might just roast it in the next video. See you in the next one.